wish you were mine.
Welcome back, welcome back everyone, and now I'm going to teach you something like table, how to create a table in HTML. So text for that was something, but I think I'm a little bit making like boring tutorial, so let's do something fun. So what I want to do is, do you watch football or are you interested in football? So let's see what are the top players in football. So I'm going to go on Google and search for it. So I'm going to go and type best football player in the world. I got the suggestion. I'm going to hit enter and I got Cristiano Ronaldo. Let's see. So I'm going to go and open this link. So I got Neymar. Okay, I got many of them. So first one is Maradona, Pelé. Okay, there are a bunch of footballers. So top footballers are there. So I'm going to do is, there are 10 players. So what I want is top 5 players. So first one getting is Maradona, second is Pele and Johan. Okay, I don't know what to name it. I don't know how to pronounce it. Cruyff, Johan Cruyff. Okay. So I'm going to go back in our text editor, and below what we have made is, I'm going to make a table for that. So I'm going to go on type table. I'm going to make the close tag for it, and I got the autocomplete by the IDE which we are making it, and I'm going to go and make a row. So I'm going to go and DR, and I'm going to close this one, and I think it is auto completed. That's what I wanted. So I'm going to make one more DR. I'm going to close it, make one more TR. I'm going to close it. So I'm going to put top football player. Okay, I spelled it wrong. And football players. And what I want to do is go here, and as we have made it list over there, so I'm going to make one list like that. So I'm going to put as DH, that's the head of the table. It is saying head, and it is automatically completed. Inside the table we have row, then head, and then we have TD. So top football players, and I'm going to put DH. I'm going to put name. I'm going to close it, and I'm going to make another one. Third one will be like, okay, let's see what is showing about. So what I think I should do is, I'm going to go and type, I'm going to go and copy. What I want to do is, this Cristiano Ronaldo is for Real Madrid. Okay, so what I think I should copy is, go and copy this first line, first sentence of each player. So I'm going to go and type TH, and then I'm going to make it close, and I'm going to go and make it say that about ABOUT. I'm going to control save and see that does that make it appear in our website. So I'm going to go and refresh it. Yes, it is saying top football player, name and about. So I'm going to go back, and as you can see that it is closing over here, so I'm going to go and hit enter. So it is much more readable, just going to indent it. So this is the parent tag. Inside the parent tag we have the child tag. Okay, inside the child tag I'm going to make it something more, so it is much more readable. So in top football players I'm going to go over there and I'm going to type TT and I'm going to close it, go back TT and I'm going to close this one, and then I'm going to go TT and I'm going to close this one, and here also I'm going to go and type TT and I'm going to close this one, go back and going to, instead of typing, why should I don't just go and copy this one, I'm going to go paste it and paste it, I'm going to go and delete this one, I'm going to go and release, so it is make life easier. So top football player, so I'm going to go and go on this website, I'm going to go player 1, player 2 and player 3. So I'm going to go and top football player, so I'm going to go and put 1 player, 2 player and 3rd player in first row, and we have made 3 of the columns, so that's 1 player and 2, so I have to make 1 more row. So I'm going to TR and then I'm going to close it, that one. So this will be the first header, then it will go second and then third, so it is going to explain it in line way. So that's 1, and I'm going to go and put 2. Okay, I don't think I typed this one earlier, I'm going to go and put 2, so I'm going to copy this one. Inside this row I'm going to go and paste it and name it as 3, and here I'm going to go and copy the player name, it is saying Maradona. Back over here I'm going to control V, get back and go Pele, control C, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to go and control V, go back, third is Johan, control, I'm going to go back and I'm going to go control V, and see does that makes anything happen in our web page. I'm going to refresh it by pressing F5. So as you can see it is a top football player and it is saying me, and we are going to make it appear like about. So what I'm going to do is go back to our page and copy the first sentence of them. So where is the full stop? I'm looking forward to full stop. There you have it. I'm going to copy this one, I'm going to control V, control C, and I'm going to go over there and copy control V, go back to the browser, and second player, where is the full stop? So here is the full stop. I'm going to go and control C and go back, and I'm going to go and type control V, go back, I'm going to see copy the first sentence, I'm going to control C, go back, and I'm going to put control V and going to file save and go back to the browser and back to our page and see that we have top first football player and it is saying that. So I think this is readable, but I think making it a border so it will look like that it is actually the thing which we are going to make. So what I'm going to do is we have something called CSS, and inside the CSS we make it much more readable. So what I'm going to do is go back to the browser and try it like making it appear like WIDTH with, I'm going to put it as 100%. you will understand CSS, I'm going to explain you with that. So I'm going to go back over here, I'm going to Control C, and there you have it, player 1. So I'm going to go over there, and instead of putting top football players, I'm just going to put football players. So top football, go back, I'm going to put football players, file save, and see does that works. Yes, it looks much more readable. So it's saying like football player number 1 is Diego Maradona, and it is telling me about him. Then second is Pele, and it is telling me about him. Third one is Johan Cruyff, it is saying about him. So there is no full stop over here, so I'm going to go back and add a full stop here. I'm going to go to full stop, so it looks much more better in a browser. So here we have the full stop, and it is saying me. So I'm going to, as you see that it is automatically adjusted by going in the middle of the text we have added. So it has made a table for us automatically. So thanks for watching. Okay, before I end the video, let me try something. I'm going to go over there. Now we are going to add a border to it, so I'm going to type inside the table border, and then put is equal to, then put 1, px stands for pixels, and then add it. So I'm going to file, save it, and see in the browser. As you see, there are no borders, so I'm going to hit refresh, and there you have the borders. So if you go back and type like 2 pixels, going to file, save, and go back to the browser, I'm going to hit refresh, and see you get the double size of the border. Okay, thanks for watching. My name is Nazir. I'm signing out.